Tonight, we are bringing you the latest in the ongoing investigation into the death of Greensboro Police Sergeant Philip Dale Nix.
Jameer Foster and Zakiria Blackwell, one charged with murder, the other as an accessory. Both appear before a judge this afternoon. Joshua Davis joins us live from the Guilford County Courthouse today at 4 o'clock. Joshua, take us inside the courtroom today. What did you hear?
Well, Devontae, Jameer Foster and Zakiria Blackwell appeared before a judge to discuss changes to their bond. In the courtroom with them were family and friends of those two, as well as Sergeant Philip Dale Nix. Now their attorneys, presented arguments to persuade the judge. Jameer Foster, who was charged with first-degree murder, went first, being led into the courtroom in person. His defense argued the 18-year-old feared for his life when confronted by Sergeant Dale Nix on December 30th at a Sheetz in Colfax. His attorney argued there wasn't clear indication that Nix was an officer as he was off duty and not in uniform. So Foster believed a random man pulled a gun on him and was, quote, scared he was going to die, end quote. Zakiria Blackwell, who faces an accessory charge, appeared virtually, and her attorney claimed she simply wasn't aware of what was going on, as she was in the getaway car asleep until immediately after the shooting happened. Both attorneys stated their clients were not flight risks, but because of their family ties to the triad, with Blackwell's attorney stating that she delivered a baby in March while in custody. Foster was seeking his bond to be unsecured, while Blackwell was looking for a bond reduction from $500,000 to $200,000. But Judge Tomlin rejected both of them.
Risk to others, yes. Significant enough for the court to deny the bond motion and let the release condition remain where it is at no bond. A bond that's close to the recommended range that lawyers and public defenders and the DA work tirelessly to set these ranges. It's reasonable for it to be out of that range. So that I'm going to let the $500,000 stay in place and deny the bond motion.
Foster and Blackwell are both expected to be in court again July 23rd. In Greensboro, I'm Joshua Davis for WXII 12 News.